Morning YouTube, and at the moment luckily mainly dry and slightly breezy Thursday morning. I'm just off to Taunton now to Grounds Motorcycles for a service and some new rear rubber, and hopefully I'm going to avoid the worst of the windy weather on my way there, but it is just starting to pick up a little bit now. It's been relatively calm up until now. It is forecast to come in for the next couple of hours, so there's going to be a question of seeing how it goes. And taking it steady, obviously. Probably put up a little bit of wind providing the rain holds off, but wind and rain, not a nice combination. I've put my earplugs in so I can hear the wind as it gusts, but luckily at the moment I can't really feel it because it's not that bad, but it's I think it's coming in now. It's forecast to, and of course I'm heading west, so I'm going to be heading into it. Well, at least it's not as bad as it could have been. Some areas have had it really bad. Right. And I'm stuck behind a 20-mile-an-hour but the sky's looking a bit more ominous the direction I'm heading to. Oh well, if it rains, it's going to test out this Frank Thomas Gore-Tex jacket I've been given. I haven't tested it in the wind or in the wet yet. I think rain here at the moment, we've escaped the worst of it, but then it always was looking as if that was going to happen. South of the counties got hit harder than we have overnight. Mainly rain, it's causing a lot of problems with flooding. But if the wind's coming, it's going to make for an interesting ride. Now, I'm going to have to find something to do for a few hours because I think it's going to be a good 2 or 3 hours today. That was an odd mark. Policeman in front of me, and he's going after that bloke who's just blatted it up there. And that is it. As I came up behind him, he was going to come this way. Had the camera on the back. I'm getting rather warm at the moment, but that's probably going to change. I was going to go A38, but I might end up doing the motorway because of the time. Nah, stick to my original plan, especially as the wind's starting to get up. And the spray there's going to be about on the motorway as well. Oh, damn it! I gotta go home. Forgot my wallet, so I'll have to ring them up before I leave, let her know I'm running a bit late. Yeah, I'll ring them just before I leave, let them know I'm running a bit late, and it will be motorway now. Just realised that. Right, let's try again. Make sure I get back far enough so I don't go over that tonneau cover. Right, let's try again, see if I can get there this time. Unfortunately, because I've had to come back home, I'm going to catch the rain now for longer. It's getting dark. which isn't a good sign for the rain. If it rained this rain, I bet you'd get a lot of wagons come round here. Don't know whether there's going to be any diesel on the road. No, I've got a decision to make now. Do I go A38 or motorway? I would say motorway's quicker. I'll go motorway, I think. Didn't intend to, but I need to get there. Could be a lot of spray, but I'll have to put up with that. Didn't intend doing this originally, but I'm gonna have to. Keep it at about 60 though, I think, because of the conditions. Yeah, I'm going to get flattered a bit. It's a chance I had to take. I'm going to stay out of their spray as much as possible. This rain's getting on the inside of my visor. I think I can feel the odd splash on my face. Fields down there are a bit waterlogged. Flooded. The Tones burst its banks. I think I wore the wrong boots. It's starting to get inside them a little bit. They've been bought in for the trains which aren't running between Taunton and Exeter, because he's got a railway thing on the coach. I just realised that. Catching every single bloody light. God. Another 20 mile an hour. Imagine if you lived in Wales, you've got to do this everywhere in the towns. It would do your head in, wouldn't it? Oh, got it out in one piece and relatively dry.